Hello friends, सबको नमस्ते. So today in this video we will create a code for RGB histogram analysis of images. Okay, for that we use this functions calculation history. Okay, in this lesson we will learn RGB histogram representation of the images. This is a function which we use for that. Let me show the definition of this. How it will basically show you how intensities are distributed. These are the attributes of this function. Let me tell you what is the meaning. Images, the first attribute will be input image, on which we have to analyze the histogram, RGB histogram. Okay, then the channel basically the index value we have to give. First will be channel index to compute histogram will be if the image in a BGR format, then 0 is for the blue, 1 for the green, and 2 for the red. If it is in RGB format, then 0 for the red and 1 for the green and 2 for the blue. Mask, in a, you can say default value, or you can say we have to put a none if we do not want to analyze the specific reason on the image. What do you want? If you want to analyze the whole image, then it should be none. Okay, hist size means number of bins or slot used to count pixels value. For a 8-bit image, 256 means one bin for each value from 0 to 255. Okay, this way its value will be 256. Ranges is 0 to 256, but 256 will be excluded. It's 0 up to 255. These are the libraries which we use. Let me do how we can do that. Just read the image here. After that we want to know how many number of pixels is there, because basically this function give me how pixel intensities are distributed. So this way first, this way we calculate a number of pixels, how many pixels are present. Then if it is the image is not there, it will throw me the error. After that we convert it to RGB. So that's why 0 index value is for the red, then 1 for the green and 2 for the blue. This is the colors which we use for flotation time. This is a color channel name which we use to display here. This is red, green, and blue. Okay, this we use. Main thing will be this one. This variable. This variable is the main thing. Histogram, where we store the red, green, and blue pixel intensities. Means say distribution in this variable. How we can do that? So we have a 3 channels, so we loop for the 3 time. For the first, I value will be 0. For the second, for 2, then the third. This will be get a channel. I already explained what is the meaning of none, what is the value of 256, and what is the value of 0 to 256 here. Okay, this way we get a intensity distribution of for per channel. After getting the distribution for the per channel, we append that into the histogram variable. This way we get the histogram intensities distribution for the per channel, and after that we have to plot it. So how we can do plot for the each channel? Okay, for red histogram, green histogram, and blue histogram. How we can do that? Just use plot the figure. The figure size will do 15 and 4, and here executed title will be image, means this one, and image path. And then subplot will be, this is a plotation for the first plotation, this red, you can say for the original image. How we can do it? Doing it, so 1 row 4 columns for the original image, red histogram, green histogram, blue histogram. But for the one, for we just we are plotting for the first means original image, so that's why it's a 1. What do you want to plot? Image, original image. This is a title which we want to display. Okay, and this is axis is off. Now for the red, green, and blue histogram, we will enumerate over the colors and channel and zip format. This way we get column name and name at the same time, color name and a name at the same time. And this is initially the I value will be 0. 0 plus 2 means you can say second plotation. 1 plus 2 third plotation, and this is the fourth plotation. Which histogram is what we want to display? We want to plot I believe initially will be 0 means red channel. Histogram will be plotation. Color means initially we get red, so that's why it will be red color. So this way be the plotation and a name, x label, y label, and x means intensities. Pixel intensity will be 0 to 255. That's why it's x will be 0 to 256. Okay, 256 is excluded. Okay, tight layout, then this will show. Now what exactly the meaning, how we have to read this histogram analysis, histogram graph? So this way I will this simple, for the with simple example I will explain you. Suppose the image size is 600 and 600. Your total number of pixel will be get it will get to be 3,60,000. Okay, after that, okay, then after that we, if suppose a green in this green histogram, pixel value 200 means this one, around this one, and its frequency is around 2000. Assume it. This mean what does frequency mean here? It's mean out of 360,000 pixel, only 2000 pixel have green color intensity exactly equal to 200. One pixel have three channel are red, green and blue. So in that 2000 pixel, green color intensity exactly equal to 200, means green color value will be 200. This what histogram analysis give to you. This analysis give to you. What does histogram does not tell to you, means the important points which we want to remember, that histogram does not show how much area is green, how much area is blue. Suppose in this color you can see that most of the reason of this color image is of green, but you can not green, but this is not a perfect example. Let me show you one perfect example. Suppose this is your image, and most of the color region is surrounded by the green, but you can see that the green color intensities is not that much, you can say, but blue intensity is very high, frequency high. Okay, so this does not tell you the reason that which color region is very high or which color is very dominated. It doesn't tell you, it just tell you how the frequency, how the intensities are distributed, okay, among the pixels. It's only count pixel value. Okay, this the one pixel combined to red, green, blue. So this is a perfect example. Is suppose one pixel is red 60, 200, 120. How this count? Add one count at 200 in a green histogram, one count will be blue histogram, and one count in the red histogram. This way that histogram basically give the means analysis give to you. Okay, suppose I'm talking about here. Let me talk about one here. Not here, this is not an example. Now suppose I have four images. I want to plot all the histogram analysis for the red, green, blue analysis. How we can do that? Just use the for loop, and just to read the image path one by one, and you will get it. Just all number of pixels, just all things is happening the same way. Okay, so don't get confused. So let me take one example here. Suppose I will take this example here. Let me show you. So here you can see that you can see this. Let me take here just directly. You can see there's a 50 pixel pixel intensity. 50 pixel intensity in the red region is around more than 10,000. Okay, it's more than 10,000. So among 9,000 9,57,000 600 pixels in red region, the value will be more than 10,000 pixel value. Have a value will be 50 for the red region. So this what a histogram analysis give to you. Means why we have to read it. This way we have to read it, and what this histogram tell you, I have explained you in detail way. Okay, so this is the examples you can see. Okay, here are a number of pixels also shown you with the shape of the image. So this is what histogram basically RGB histogram analysis of the image tells you in detail way. I have explained you with example. I have explained you. So if you get some knowledge with this video, so please like, share and subscribe my video. Thanks to all.